Greetings everyone, hope you're all keeping well out there. As I'm sure you all know by now, my name is Alex and today we are here to check this out, which is a rather cheap and very affordable smartwatch. Now if someone says to you that they have a smartwatch, you will probably assume that it is either an Apple Watch or maybe the Samsung Gear or something with a big brand name attached to it. Well, this one does not have that, but it also does not have the price that goes with them. However, will it actually be any good? That is exactly what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start off with a quick unboxing and then we're going to test it out. So let's open this up and, well, that was a nice surprise. We are greeted by a watch in a bit of a plastic coating, it would appear, surrounded by some very flimsy cardboard. And then it looks like we have a charging cable and then quite simply a instruction booklet, which is multi-language, but I don't even know if I can read them controls. But that's the end of the box, so we don't need that. And then we have the actual watch itself. Now, I've got to admit, it feels quite heavy. Okay then, you know what? First impressions wise, it's actually a very nice watch. I mean, I like my watches bulky, and it definitely is a bulky watch. The watch strap itself is some sort of plastic resin, and then we have the actual design of the watch fascia, and the back is plastic, but this appears to be all some kind of metal. There's a little charging port here, which is of course micro USB. The back does come off so you can insert a SIM card, and then a little camera on the front. How good that will be, I suppose not very good, but of course we will test it out. But the overall look and feel of this cheap watch is actually quite nice. Don't get me wrong, however, it isn't as slick and as stylish as maybe the Apple Watch, but it does look quite cool. But I think it's now time to turn this on, and I've just reduced the lighting in here just so you can hopefully see the screen a bit better. So here we go. Oh. Well, a nice little welcome jingle, and it actually vibrated as well, which I didn't know about, so that's quite a nice little touch. Let's just swipe across and see what happens. Okay, so we go straight to the call function there, and you've got, it's quite responsive, it really is. However, at the same time, if you've got big hands, you might have a bit of trouble typing away on it. So that was obviously the dialer there, and then we've gone to another screen here, which is messaging. We've got call logs, phone book. Well, let's try messaging. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Well, that is small. I'm just going to try and write my name. No. L. Where's not T? Ugh. That is impossible. That really is. That is so small. I just can't do it. Camera, your images, you've got audio playlist, so it does play music. So we've got alarm, we've got calendar, calculator, sound recorder. It's got it all. Look at this. We've got browser, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. That's cool. Okay then, so I've entered a SIM card and I've entered a memory card. So that hopefully should give us something to play around with involving this watch. First of all, let's try and go on the internet, okay? That's what we want to do. Internets. Loading. So I know I've got plenty of data on my SIM card, and that is not the internet. What is that? What is that? Let's just have a quick look at the camera. Right, here we go. Camera. Hey. Yeah, interesting. But let's just take a picture. Okay, so I can see that it is quite poor quality and my face is bad at the same time. I mean, it doesn't even look like a 1.3 megapixel. It actually looks less than that. But I mean, let's just say you wanted to snap away at something. So let's say I've got this beautiful Coke can here and I'm gonna take a picture of that. I mean, it's just awkward straight away. I've got this, music. Okay, there should be some music on here. Oh, and there is. There's still music on there. Can we turn it up? Oh, we've got an incoming call. It's the missus. Let's answer it. Hello? Hello, how are you doing? You're now being spoken to via the budget smartwatch. Do I sound better than other certain devices I may have tested, or is it still quite a low quality loudspeaker type? Oh really? So it's actually quite a good microphone. Well, there you go then, the proof for you all, ladies and gentlemen. So I actually sound quite good, so the microphone must be quite high quality. Okay then, so that was just a quick overview of this cheap but rather cheerful smartwatch, again being used from an iPhone user like myself, and as you can see it was pretty okay, but at the same time it wasn't okay at all. The Twitter, WhatsApp and the actual Google apps on the watch do not actually work with iOS, they only work for Android, so that is why I was having a few problems. But then again, at the same time, going back to the price of this, you can't really complain. I mean, it looks fairly decent and it does have a nice bit of a luxury feel to it, but if you are someone out there who's looking for a true smartwatch, something that will really help you maybe get fit, has a fitness tracker on there, something that can maybe be reliable, then maybe you should look for something else. Still, if you're walking past a shop somewhere and you see one of these going for maybe just a couple of pounds, couple of dollars, then yeah, pick one up, because it is a fairly nice watch. Still, however, if you've got any questions or comments you'd like to ask me about this fantastic budget smartwatch, then you know what to do. Put them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you with the answer as quickly as possible. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you like tech, then please show your appreciation by hitting that fantastic like button, and don't forget to hit me up on that classic subscribe button. But until next time, thank you once again for watching, and I'll hopefully see you at some point very soon. Thank you.